and welcome. My name is Jocelyn and today we are doing my first ever BoxyLuxe unboxing. I resubscribed to Boxycharm a couple of months ago, and when I did that I decided to opt for BoxyLuxe. What it is it is a kind of deluxe version of Boxycharm. So you pay I think it's now $24.99. I'm not really sure. It's one of those two numbers. Basically $25 for the regular Boxycharm, and then you pay an additional $24.99 or $25 for BoxyLuxe, and then you get one big box. So this one big box is about $50. I cannot remember what the value is of BoxyLuxe boxes, but it is a lot. There's also some customization with these boxes, and they are pretty large. Look at this. So this is the first one I've ever received. I'm very excited to open it up, and I do not have a lot of time, so let's go ahead and get to it. I don't know what's in here. I know that I customized and chose, I think, a couple of products. I think both of them were skincare items, but I don't really remember what they are. So it'll be a surprise for you and for me. All right, so we have a Boxycharm. Hello, Charmers. Ooh, okay, we got some fun stuff in here. Let's see, so first we have the card with all of the items and descriptions on the back. I won't look at this yet. Wow, ooh, oh no. Well, okay. Ooh, oh. Okay, why don't I actually start talking about what I have in here. So the first thing that I have on top, I'm actually really excited about. I don't know this brand. It is a foaming shower gel, which I've never used, never really even heard of. It looks like this is by the brand The Ritual of Sakura. Celebrate each day as a new beginning. Sensational foaming shower gel, organic rice milk, and cherry blossom. So I wonder if I can, oh, okay. Ooh, that smells really good. I'm really excited to try this. I'm actually running low on shower gels, so I'm pretty stoked about this. Next, we have something I'm kind of surprised to see. This is a Kat Von D product. This is the Dagger Tattoo Liner. I don't really purchase from Kat Von D anymore, but I do really like her eyeliners. I've actually tried this one before, and I don't like it as much as I like the Trooper liner. It's kind of weird. It has like this slanted tip to it, so maybe I'll use it. Maybe I'll pass it along to somebody else, I don't know, but I know that this has a pretty high retail value, so that's kind of nice. Ooh, next we have a product by Saturday Skin. This is the Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. So this must be some kind of moisturizer. Let me open it up. Ooh, all right, so this might have been one of the things that I chose. I cannot really remember, but I have heard lots of things about Saturday Skin, so I'm excited to try something. Ooh, whoa. Ooh, I really like moisturizers like this that have that kind of jelly texture. It doesn't really have much of a smell. There's a very light scent there that smells very like clean, kind of a clean smell, so that's kind of nice. I also really like the shape of this packaging. Look at how cute. Okay, so I'm excited about that. Next, I see a product by Too Faced, so that's kind of cool. It's been a while since I've tried something new from Too Faced. This is their Rich Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss in the shade Two Night Stand. Let's see, this looks like it might be a pink. Sure enough, ooh, that is a kind of a Barbie pink. I am not much of a, well, smells pretty good. I guess it is like kind of sheer. You can see that right there. It's got some glitter. I don't know. I'm not too stoked about this. I mean, it smells good. I mean, I don't really like the color, let's be honest. I might end up passing this one along, probably for sure, because I just don't think that I'll get much use out of this one. If it was more of like a brownie kind of nude color, then I probably would have held on to it, but I'm not super stoked on that color. Okay, the next thing that I see on top, and I think, yeah, this isn't everything. Ooh, this is a product by Fresh. I don't think that Fresh is cruelty-free. This is their Soy Face Cleanser. Let's see, Fresh Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types is an extra gentle gel cleanser that instantly whisks away everyday impurities and makeup. Okay, so this is what the actual bottle looks like. I know that this is a pretty good product. I will probably end up passing it along because Fresh is not cruelty-free, or maybe I'll just use it in my shower and not talk about it on my channel. I guess we'll see. Okay, this is a lot of products so far. We are not done. Next, we have a product by, ooh, Ciate London. I love Ciate London. They are a very kind of underrated brand. I don't hear a lot of people talk about them, but I really like a lot of their products and just kind of their aesthetic. This is their confetti highlighter. Ooh, warm glow highlighter. Ooh, warm glow. I hope that this is a good shade for me. That's got me a tiny bit concerned. Ooh, oh, look at how cute. It's like a little saucer. Okay, let's see. Whoa, okay. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is kind of dark. You can see that right there. I wonder if I'm supposed to use this like as a bronzer, sort of like a bronzer. Oop, I just put that in that lip gloss. Whoops, dang it. I was really hoping that this was like an actual highlighter. I'm not sure how much use I'll get out of this. It's a little orangey toned. Ooh, I don't know, we'll have to see. I had really high hopes in that moment and they were kind of shot down a tiny bit. So we'll see, maybe I'll look up some reviews and see how people use it or see what the description and how it recommends using it. Okay, is there anything else? Oh yeah, there's a few things still left in here, wow. Okay, next we have a product by Power Up. This is a dual phase setting mist. This looks like it belongs in a lab. This is so funky. Oh wait, no, this is by In Beauty Project. Huh. Oh, it looks like this is probably cruelty-free and it's a clean beauty kind of product. I like that. Helps to set makeup, energize, and revive skin. Filters away a dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. This is for glowing, hydrated, and energized skin. Use under makeup to prep skin, over makeup to set your look, or throughout the day to refresh tired skin. So it's like a setting spray. It's got kind of a funky consistency though. It's a little bit, oh, weird. It like, you have to shake it. Oh, this has aloe, witch hazel, and electrolytes in it. Interesting. I'll have to look up those ingredients to see if they're actually okay for the skin. Okay. Interesting. Next, I think this is the second to last item. Oh, this is something that I did choose. This is by QMS Medi Cosmetics. This is a lip line corrector. It is a lip serum. I thought that this would be really interesting. It's, I think, a little bit plumping, which is great because I do not have very big lips and they do have lots of little lines in them. So I thought I could maybe use something like this to kind of just, oh, interesting. This is one of those boop, boop, boop kind of tops. So I thought I could use this to kind of just plump up my lips a little bit without doing anything too aggressive to them. So I thought I would give this a try. I'm pretty actually excited about this. And then last, but certainly not least, is a palette. And this is a palette by Storybook Cosmetics. I do have two other Storybook Cosmetics palettes. I have the Wizardry and Witchcraft and the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory one. I think both of those my best friend got me. So now I have this one. This is the Fairy Tales Storybook Cosmetics Little Briar Rose. How sweet. I don't know what the inside of this looks like. Whoa. Okay, I'm actually really excited about this color story. That's really pretty. Wow, okay, let me give you a bit of a close-up. So this is what the inside of this palette looks like. Look at how pretty that color story is. I love that. I actually think that this is pretty unique. I am all about this color story. Okay, maybe I'll have to do a palette bingo with this. We'll have to see. All right, and that is everything. That's a lot of products. 9, if I'm not mistaken. I don't see a total value posted anywhere, but this palette right here is $55. The Saturday Skin Water Cream, $39. The Ciate London Confetti Highlighter, $32. The Fresh Cleanser, $48. The Lip Line Corrector, oh my gosh, this thing is $200. What kind of madness is that? Oh my goodness. The Dual Phase Setting Mist, this thing right here is $32. Kat Von D liner is $20. Too Faced Lip Gloss, $21. And the shower gel, this thing right here is only $9.50. This is probably one of the things I'm most excited about. I'm most excited about this, the lip line corrector thing, the palette. I'm kind of excited about the spray. I'm kind of excited to try that out. I don't really have very many sprays. Actually, I think I only have one small Urban Decay one. And I'm excited about this, the water cream. Everything else, it's fine, but these are the things I think I'm most excited about. I paid $50 and there was well over a $50 value in this box, so I definitely feel like I got some bang for my buck. I will leave a referral link down below if you'd like to check BoxyCharm, BoxyLuxe, or Boxy Premium out. They have like 3 different versions. This one is $50 and it comes, I think, every 3 months, and then the regular BoxyCharm is $25 a month, and BoxyCharm Premium, I don't know how much that is. I think that it's more, but that one, and I don't actually know. I don't know anything about that one. never been subscribed to it. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe for more content from me, don't forget to do so before you go. All of those buttons are down below, and I think that is everything I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.